Sialkot, the city of Iqbal, is independent almost in all walks of life. It has its prominent recognition in the world due to its sports and surgical instrument. It is also a birthplace of Hazrat Allama Iqbal. There are some well-mentioned buildings exist in the city of Iqbal: Ghanta Ghar, Iqbal House and Castle, which are included in the Asian buildings. While getting their progress day by day, Sialkot is also fulfilling the demand of higher education, where many universities in Pakistan are paying the duty to provide higher education. Among them, University of Gujarat Sialkot Sub-Campus has made its prominent name. The University of Gujarat Sialkot campus was established in September 2013 with the do-it-yourself spirit of Sialkot city. The vision with this model has been to create a superior education and research. This institution is situated in Daska Road, Sialkot. It was established under the mission that University of Gujarat Sialkot Sub-Campus is based on the provision of higher education, especially to the students of Sialkot and its adjacent areas, in accordance with international standards and under affordable fee structure. University of Gujarat Sialkot Sub-Campus enables students to develop knowledge and skills necessary to achieve their professional goals, improve the performance of their organization, and provide leadership and service to their community. HEC recognized institution as a beautiful modern building is standing on a beautiful location and is a vivid proof of its development. Management is committed to provide quality education and competitive learning environment to the students.
यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ गुजरात सियालकोट कैंपस 2013 में यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ गुजरात के साथ पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप के नतीजे में मार्ज़े वजूद में आई और उस वक्त से आज तक तकरीबन 4000 स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे ज़ेरे तालीम हैं और 40 के करीब डिग्री प्रोग्राम्स यहाँ पे चल रहे हैं। हमारा फ्यूचर में भी ये प्लान है कि यहाँ पे ऐसे प्रोग्राम शुरू किए जाएँ जो सियालकोट की लोकल इंडस्ट्री की ज़रूरतों को पूरा करें। वहाँ पे जो मैन पावर चाहिए वो इस यूनिवर्सिटी से उनको दी जा सके, उनको अपनी प्रोडक्ट्स को बेहतर करने के लिए जो रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट चाहिए वो इस यूनिवर्सिटी के प्लेटफॉर्म से मुहैया की जा सके और ओवरऑल इस शहर की तरक्की में ये इदारा एक बेहतर किरदार अदा कर सके।
In this age of competition, this university is providing educational programs of international standards with modern facilities. Where higher education is provided in all programs of natural sciences, business, computer science, and social sciences. University is offering graduate, postgraduate programs under foreign qualified faculty with a wide range of faculties. The Faculty of Computing and Information Technology aims to provide state-of-the-art computing facilities to the students that not only facilitate academic excellence but also encourages out-of-the-box thinking. The focus is on establishing strong linkages with the industry, as believed that a durable nexus between industry and academia is essential for long-term growth of any organization. Programs are designed to train students in specialized knowledge of various domains of information technology and prepare them for conducting meaningful and useful research. Under the Faculty of School of Computing and Information Technology programs are being offered BS Computer Science, BS Software Engineering, BS Information Technology, MSc Information Technology, MSc Computer Science.
University of Gujarat Sialkot Sub-Campus was established in 2013 and our main focus was their technical skills. In final year project, we have given them the areas where that is the need of the market, where their skill can be applied in the market. In future, we are offering further programs, and especially we are introducing Project Lab, high-tech Project Lab with i7 systems, so that they can have more skill. When they go into the market, they can offer their services with their skill.
Faculty of Management Science is committed to maximizing the intellectual, social, and economic potential of all the individuals and communities. It serves through outstanding teaching, research, and enterprise activity confirmed by fundamental principles of responsible management. This faculty prepares students through innovative learning environment, embedded with practical experience, dynamic learning. Under the Faculty of Management Science programs are being offered Associate Degree in Finance, BCom, BBA, MBA, MCom.
We are on this journey to provide the best possible educational services to our community, to our students who are our future. So we have number of happenings and resources for the students, we are fortunate enough to build the first purpose-built campus in the city of Iqbal. We have 9 furnished, well-equipped computer labs. We have science labs, including physics lab, chemistry lab, biotechnology lab, biochemistry lab, zoology labs, and then we have hardware infrastructures. We have more than 500 latest computers, PCs that are internet connected, and we have a library which is comprised of more than 6,000 books. Under the Student Services Center, we are providing a variety of services.
The Department of Social Sciences aims to enabling the students to think logically and improve their ability to use different economic concepts. Under the Faculty of Social Sciences programs are being offered BS Mass Communication, BS Economics, BS Psychology, BS English, BS International Relations, MA Mass Communication, MA English. Mass Communication is the program of social sciences which is being offered exclusively in this institute of the Sialkot.
Mass Communication वो वाहिद डिपार्टमेंट है जो सियालकोट में यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ गुजरात सियालकोट कैंपस में स्टार्ट किया गया और यहाँ के मकामी इलाकों लोगों के लिए, यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ना वो सिर्फ सहूलत है कि वो दूसरे इलाकों में जाके इस डिग्री को हासिल करें, जो इनकी स्पेशलाइजेशन के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे इनकी बेसिक ज़रूरियात रेडियो, न्यूज़पेपर्स, मैगजीन्स, कंप्लीट प्रिंट मीडिया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडियाज़ और इनकी जो बेसिक स्पेशलाइजेशन है एडवर्टाइजिंग और पब्लिक रिलेशन, उनकी हर बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स के अकॉर्डिंग हर फैसिलिटी यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड की जा रही है.
Science is an absorbing, informative and innovative subject. The Faculty of Science at the University of Gujarat Sialkot Sub-Campus is an evolving one and more disciplines shall be added as we go along. Our emphasis is establishing a competitive environment in the highly globalized world. For the practical work of science, there are 6 air-conditioned labs available for the students. Under the Faculty of Natural Science programs are being offered BS Biochemistry, BS Biotechnology, BS Zoology, BS Botany, BS Physics, BS Statics, BS Mathematics, MSc Mathematics, MSc Statics.
हमारी फैकल्टी ऑफ साइंस जो इस वक्त यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ गुजरात सियालकोट सब कैंपस में है और ये प्राइवेट पब्लिक पार्टनरशिप यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ गुजरात के साथ है और पिछले 3 साल से हम फैकल्टी ऑफ साइंस को चला रहे हैं और हर डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर हमारे पास क्वालिफाइड फैकल्टी है
Students after completing the education from this institution, they are performing different fields of life like HR, marketing, finance, accounting, and especially social sciences, because this is the only institution in the Sialkot which is not only providing quality education but also facilitating to the students. So I will really say that this institution is a center of excellence. This institution is a winning institution.
यहाँ के टीचर बहुत क्वालिफाइड हैं और यहाँ हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है।
हर चीज़ जो मिली, एक वर्ल्ड क्लास यूनिवर्सिटी है, यहाँ पे हर चीज़ अवेलेबल है, हर तरह के लोग होते हैं यहाँ पे।
तो बेसिकली दे हैव प्रोवाइडेड अस अ प्लेटफॉर्म जिसमें हम अपने ही शहर में रह के क्वालिटी एजुकेशन वो हासिल कर सकते हैं।
Management of the University of Gujarat Sialkot sub-campus is doing great effort to make it a reliable institute of the region. There are 70 lecture halls with multimedia system and a well-furnished 500-seated air-conditioned auditorium for organizing seminars and events. Lawns with beautiful fragrant flowers are adding more beauty to the appearance of the university campus. For lunch, a beautiful cafeteria is there where students can get the e-tables of their own choice. Students of remote areas have the facility of pick and drop and a wide area parking by the university. A good education institute should have the main objective is to train the students beside providing all the facilities so that it will positive-minded citizen to the society. Every student of University of Gujarat Sialkot sub-campus is committed to build a strong and prosperous Pakistan. This institute of Iqbal City is trying its best to get these objectives.